Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end.
Let's go straight into pricing. Hostinger uses a subscription-based pricing model that's heavily optimized for affordability, especially on longer billing cycles. Entry-level plans are often priced very low when paid annually, making Hostinger attractive to beginners, freelancers, and small businesses. Pricing scales based on hosting resources like storage, bandwidth, performance boosts, number of websites, email accounts, backups, and security features. Many plans also bundle Hostinger's own website builder, giving users a quick start option without removing access to full WordPress hosting for deeper control. For comparison, Wix also uses subscription pricing, but its tiers are structured around design flexibility, marketing tools, storage, and e-commerce functionality rather than hosting infrastructure. Hostinger pricing emphasizes ownership, performance, and scalability, while Wix pricing emphasizes ease of use and visual customization. Hostinger feels infrastructure first, Wix feels builder first. Now let's talk about what Hostinger actually offers. Hostinger is fundamentally a hosting platform, which means users own their website files and can decide how simple or advanced their setup becomes over time. Beginners can start with the drag and drop website builder, while more advanced users can move into WordPress, plugins, themes, and performance tuning without switching providers. This flexibility makes Hostinger a long-term option rather than a temporary launch tool. Another strength of Hostinger is budget efficiency at scale. Because plans are discounted on longer terms and upgrades are incremental, businesses can grow traffic and features without sudden cost spikes. This predictability helps side hustlers and startups reinvest savings into marketing or content instead of infrastructure. Over time, Hostinger feels less like a short-term deal and more like a stable foundation for sustainable growth. Performance is one of Hostinger's biggest strengths. Features like fast servers, global data centers, caching, SSL certificates, and uptime monitoring are built into most plans. These directly affect SEO, page speed, and user experience. Hostinger also includes domain management, email hosting, backups, and security tools, reducing dependence on third-party services. Another advantage of Hostinger is growth potential. A business can start with a simple brochure site and later expand into e-commerce, blogging, memberships, or custom applications. Hosting resources can be upgraded gradually, making Hostinger suitable for users who expect their website to evolve into a serious digital asset. Now for the pros and cons. On the plus side, Hostinger is affordable, flexible, and gives full control over hosting and files. It supports both beginners and advanced users. On the downside, setup takes longer than AI-generated builders. Beginners may feel overwhelmed by choices, and design still requires effort. Still, for users who value ownership, performance, and scalability, Hostinger delivers strong long-term value. Now let's move on to Wix, which approaches website creation from a very different angle. Wix is a visual, all-in-one website builder designed to make website creation accessible without technical knowledge. Pricing is subscription-based, with tiers scaling based on storage, marketing tools, e-commerce capabilities, and advanced integrations. Wix's biggest strength is ease of use. Users can start with professionally designed templates and customize layouts using a true drag-and-drop editor. Sections, images, text, animations, and apps can be placed freely, making Wix appealing to users who want immediate visual control without touching code. This flexibility makes Wix popular among creatives small businesses, and personal brands. Another reason Wix resonates with non-technical users is creative confidence. Because changes are visual and reversible, users feel comfortable experimenting with layouts, colors, and sections without fear of breaking the site. This encourages iteration and learning over time. For small businesses and creators, Wix turns website building into an ongoing creative process, rather than a one-time technical task. Wix also offers a large app marketplace that extends functionality. Users can add bookings, forms, memberships, payments, live chat, automation, and marketing tools without external platforms. Built-in SEO tools, blogging features, email marketing, and e-commerce support allow businesses to manage most of their online presence from one dashboard. Another advantage of Wix is speed to publish. While it's not instant like AI builders, users can design and launch a site relatively quickly without worrying about hosting, configuration, updates, or security. Wix manages infrastructure behind the scenes, allowing users to focus on content and appearance. Wix also works well for rapid updates. Promotions, seasonal changes, and content edits can be published quickly without developer help. This agility is valuable for businesses that need to respond fast to trends, campaigns, or customer feedback while keeping their website current and visually consistent. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, Wix is intuitive, visually flexible, and packed with built-in features. It's ideal for users who want creative freedom without technical complexity. On the downside, sites can become heavy if over-customized. Performance depends on design choices, and long-term scalability is more limited than hosting-first platforms. Migrating away from Wix can also be difficult. In terms of ratings, both platforms are generally well regarded, but Trustpilot data may be limited or inconsistent. Hostinger is often praised for affordability and reliability, while Wix is valued for ease of use and design flexibility. Ratings should be treated as general sentiment indicators rather than definitive judgment. Final takeaway, choose Hostinger if you want affordable hosting, performance control, and long-term scalability. Choose Wix if you want an easy, visual website builder with built-in tools and minimal technical responsibility. If this comparison helped, like and subscribe to the channel, and click the link below to access the software and choose the website platform that best fits your skills, timeline, and growth strategy.